This video focuses on multiplying and dividing polynomials. So we're going to start off by doing just a few kind of easier problems I would say our students are pretty good at. So we're going to go ahead. We reviewed this already earlier this year. We're going to distribute that 6v through to the binomial. So we take 6v times 2v, so 6 times 2 is 12, and then v times v gives us v squared. Now we'll distribute 6v times 3. So 6v times 3, 6 times 3 is 18, and then v. So there's our expression. All right, here's now a binomial times a binomial. If you remember binomials times binomials, we have to FOIL. So I'm going to take first, 2n times 6n is 12n squared. I'm going to go to outside, 2n times 1 is 2n. I'm going to go to inside, 2 times 6n is 12n, and then 2 times 1 is 2. Now we look to see if there's any like terms. The first term is alone. The next two terms can combine together as a like to 14n, and then plus 2. All right, last example. Where I see students making mistakes here is they want to distribute that 2n. That's not considered proper math. What this is saying, take the binomial and multiply it 2 times. So it's a binomial times another binomial. So it's 4p minus 1 times 4p minus 1. So we have to do the same thing. We have to FOIL this. So be careful on these. So let's go ahead and FOIL it. We'll take first, 4p times 4p is 16p squared. Outside, 4p times negative 1 is negative 4p. And we'll head to inside, negative 1 times 4p is negative 4p. And then negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. All right, let's get this into standard form. So the first term is left alone. The next two terms are alike, so we combine them to give us negative 8p, and then plus 1.